Important facts about human physiology: the largest gland of the body, liver the largest organ of the body, skin the longest bone of the body, femur the total number of bones in the body, 206 the hardest bone of the body, tooth the smallest bone of the body, stapes total number of muscles in the body, 600 the filter of the body, kidney the pump of the body, heart total number of bones in vertebral column, 33 the normal body temperature, 98.4 F, 37 C, the normal respiratory rate of the body, 16 to 18 per min the total volume of blood in body, 4 to 5 liters total number of bones in face, 14 vascular connection between fetus and uterus, placenta.